when it comes to any kind of blood sugar issues, type 1 especially, you need someone to oversee you, okay? Because in this case, you're probably on insulin, and therefore your pancreas has been destroyed. See, the body will not produce insulin when you give it insulin. It just wouldn't. It will minimize or stop it completely. So you have the situation where you have been on insulin for a while. Now you're going to try and rebuild the pancreas and the adrenals. It's going to take a bit of time. Okay, but the process is the same. However, you do need close monitoring, meaning that you have to check your blood every hour or so, and you cannot go on a fruit cleanse and mix with other foods when you're on a type 1, especially when you're type 1. For instance, some people will improve their diets, will go on fruits here, and then they'll have a starchy meal at the end of the day, and then the blood sugar goes up, and they don't understand why. It's because you're mixing things up. If you want to have a fruit diet and monitor your sugar levels, you see after a while that your sugar levels will drop. It can drop a lot, okay, and deep. So you need to be constantly checking your sugar, and you need herbs for the pancreas and adrenals, and even possibly glandulars. I would advise that you get professional help to watch over you, to watch over you, okay? Someone that knows about this stuff and can watch and monitor, because you have to monitor the stuff, and you cannot not stop the medication, meaning that the medication has to be weaned off by your doctor. Okay, so it's more of a tricky side. Type 2 is much easier to deal with because it's adrenal issue, literally. Fix your adrenals and blood sugar issues will resolve itself. It's one of the easiest ones to take care of. But type 1, you need help. You know, I mean, you need. I advise that you get either with me or someone like me, and let them be with you all the time, like meaning like on a weekly basis to monitor it, because you need help. You need guidance that way for type 1. Okay, and you need your doctor to involve, meaning that your doctor has to know they are doing it, that also that, you know, what you intend to do and to heal yourself.